Hello, best friends. Welcome back. And if you're new here, what's up? My name is Sin, and I like to create wigs. So this video, Wigs by sent me this blonde platinum wig, and I wanted to do another wig transformation because I just like them. Okay, so this is what the packaging looked like, and I'm just wanting to show you what the wig looked like and what I formed it into. So it's just basically this colorful, it's like kind of like a dirty Sprite get down, like it got like the little different color highlights of green and yellow and blue in there. So I just want to show you all the 4 products that I use to make this wig this color, and we're going to get right into it. But look at this shot. This shot is so bad. Look at it. It's so pretty. But yeah, so and it's super easy. And let's get right into the video. Alright, you guys, so for the silver color, I put the silver color all over the wig. I only use 1 bottle, but I will suggest 2. This is the WELLA color T18, well, the toner in T18. It calls for 2 parts to 1 part developer. 2 parts developer to 1 part toner, okay? And you use a 20 volume, but I only had 30, so I used 30. But you definitely want to watch that when you're using a higher developer. Do not go 40. If you only have 40, go to the store, buy a lower developer, go get that 20. Okay, so let's talk about the deets on this wig. When I received the wig, it looked like this. It caused a little bit of concern for me because it looked thin, and I needed to see what I was working with this wig, because the picture looked fluffy, and I know this is one of their celebrity photos, so it's not going to be accurate. So I wanted to see what it was looking like, and I always suggest that you guys wash your 613 wigs first, because there's always a film of something on the hair. So if you wash it first and let it air dry, the color will stick better onto the hair afterwards. Okay, so basically the hair is really soft, and I was amazed by that. But I wasn't too keen on the construction of this wig because I had about 3.5 inches of parting space. This is a frontal. I also noticed that there was no combs or anything like that. I also noticed that this wig density was super thin. So after I left the toner in for 15 minutes, I washed it out with some clear shampoo. You can use any shampoo. You just don't want any shampoo with color, because you don't want that color to deposit on the hair, okay? I did not condition it because I was just going to go back and put more color on top of it. So I conditioned after I rinsed out everything, all right? So basically, this part is super simple. Put the color on. Do different color variations. This is when your imagination comes into play, okay? I do want to say that the lime green from Kiss is a very overpowering color. So when I went to go use the baby blue in here, the Kiss overpowered the baby blue. So the next time I create this wig, and I think I'm going to create it in a way longer length, like maybe 26 inches, I'm going to use more blue than I use green. All right, so because I wanted the blue to shine more, but the green took the show on this wig. All right, and as far as the color, the WELLA yellow, it was a muted yellow. Okay, so the yellow was cool, but it was real subtle. It wasn't like popping yellow, and I wanted a little popping yellow. Okay, so next time I'm gonna try maybe Aiyanyi's yellow, or if Kiss had the yellow in stock at my local beauty supply when I went to go buy them, I would have probably bought that. But yeah, but overall, I am very happy of the color payout of this wig. Like, it was really pretty. Another thing that I did was, since the wig was gray, I wanted to leave some gray highlights in this wig. So just like how I'm coloring different sections, green, yellow, and blue, I did leave some hair, just basic gray in there, so it'll have a nice variation. And when you're doing color changes, you definitely want to have an old towel that you can use to wipe your hands off, because you don't want to transfer the color to a lighter color. So like if I'm doing blue and then I'm going to yellow, you want to wipe your hands off like I'm doing right here, and then applying the next color, because you don't want the color to melt together. All right, so yeah, that's basically what I did for the entire wig. And I didn't really let the color sit. I just, as soon as I put it on, I washed it out, and then I deep conditioned it with silicone mix to get the party going. And as you know, I always spray my hair before I blow dry it with my heat protectant. It's called Sauce, and it gives my hair shine, and it just protects it from heat, and it's really good on color treated hair. So this is a color treated hair, so we're going to use it on this. And at this point, I'm just going to blow dry it and get it ready, prepped and ready for flat ironing and cutting. So when I flat iron 613 hair or 613 hair that has been colored, I always turn my heat setting down because I just find that the color changes with heat. All right, and usually if it goes like to a pinkish color, it's because there's synthetic fibers in there. So I didn't even want to chance that, so I just turned my flat iron down to 250 to flat iron this. And I just, you know, was gentle with it, especially since this wig is on the thinner side. I did not want it to be super, super thin with a silk press, okay? So I wanted to give it a little body, and I wanted to leave it a little fluffy, but not too fluffy, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to go through flat iron like I normally flat iron, take my time with the flat iron it so I won't have any burns or heat spikes on the hair, because I don't want that. And that is it, y'all. And basically everything else is self-explanatory. I'm gonna just go in and I'm gonna cut the hair because it's at a weird length, and like these weird ass lengths, I just be like, okay, I'm gonna just cut it into a bob because it's at a weird length. This will look super, super cute in curls. I know it would. And yes, I was very impressed of my outcome with this and the color variation. Let me know if you want to see more colorful, you know, DIYs like this. Super easy situations and just bomb, like, you know. So yes, so after it's been cut, I'm gonna show you what it looked like on me. Like I said in my last video, I was dishing out maybe four videos that day that I was filming this, so I really didn't get to put on the wigs. So I just put them on my head to, like, you know, see what they look like. And if you want to see me have the wig on, you should definitely follow me on my Instagram or on my Facebook page, because you'll see the pictures on there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was very fun and easy to make, and very fast, actually. I think I did this entire wig in about 2 hours. Didn't take long at all. Just had a good Christmas movie on, and I was just, you know, vibing with this situation. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to hit me up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're not following me, follow my social media, girl, because we about to get it popping over there. All right, bye, you guys.